Good morning from Knoebels. It is the celebration and opening day of the 99th year of operation here in Elysburg, Pennsylvania. We're out here riding Phoenix, Twister, already rode the carousel today. Here with Steph and Gage celebrating one of my favorite parks in the country. I'm going to show you guys around, take you on a couple rides, hang out, and have fun. So one of my favorite things about Knoebels is they bring back a lot of the older rides. One of the ones right behind me is an original Rocco plane. I believe it's from either the 20s or 30s. So Gage and Steph just rode. We're going to ask Gage, what'd you think?
It was really good, actually. Like, the trick is pull forward towards you, and it's better.
Cool. So I'm going to go ride it. I'll let you know what it's like when I get up. Alright, now we're going. Alright, ready? 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 Ready?
Let's do this! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Probably one of the best drop rides that we've ever been on. This is Stratosphere, and I'm not real sure how high it is, but when it drops, it just doesn't feel like you're gonna stop, and it's just right down to the bottom. Hey look, that's a great view of Phoenix. So one of my favorite things here at Knoebels is the amount of food, and the prices here are really good. Some of the new things they have out this year, this is a German sushi, which is basically a spicy corn dog with cheese and chili and sauerkraut, and then cheese curds as well. So this is actually really good, as surprising, and so are these. So.
like you have an inside point of view. You think that you command me. You think I'm gonna hate to break it to you. I don't care what you say. I'll do it anyway. Anyway, I'll do it anyway. Want me to do it anyway. Do it anyway. Do it anyway. Do it anyway. Walking on a high line, eyes on me, I'm automatic. I'm tripping all the live wires. Sound the alarm just to be dramatic. I don't care what you say. I'll do it anyway. Anyway, I'll do it anyway. Want me to do it anyway. Do it anyway. Do it anyway. Do it anyway. I'll take this way too far. I break the stars. I'm kicking down the door. Take the floor.